Hello everyone, this is Rosina Amolik from Fellowship Mission School. In this video, I'm going to cover a chapter that is Getting Started with Python of grade 11th, chapter number 3. Topics to be covered are Introduction, Python plus means your advantages of Python, Python minuses, that is disadvantages of Python, working with Python, how to use Python application, and lastly, understanding first program, how to create a program. So in the video, we will see all these topics. So here we start with the introduction. Python programming language was developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. Okay, the developer of Python language was Guido van Rossum, and he developed this application or this programming language in year 1991. Python is based or influenced with two programming languages. Now you can say Python is a lot like ABC language, a teaching language created as a replacement of BASIC and Modula 3. So your Python language is influenced or it is based on two different languages. Those two languages are ABC language and your Modula 3. Python is an easy to learn yet powerful object-oriented programming language. It is a very high level programming language yet as powerful as many other middle level and not high level languages such as C, C++, Java. So Python is one of the very powerful programming language, but it is not so powerful like C, C++, but it is a middle level language. So in this chapter, I will introduce you with how to use Python and how to create your basic program. Now the next is your Python pluses. Pluses means what are the advantages of Python, why we should use Python. First point is easy to use. Easy to use means what? It is very easy for the programmer to use. All the syntax, whatever coding is to be done, it is very simple to understand by the programmer. So any programmer can easily develop any application. Second is expressive language. Now what is expressive language? Expressive means it is more capable of expressing code's purpose than many other languages. What is the reason? Why are we writing this statement? It is easier to understand as compared to your other programming languages. Interpreted language. Now we all know there are different types of language processor. So Python is interpreted language. Interpreted language means what? It uses interpreted language processor for the conversion. It is not a compiled language. Compiled language means your compiler. It is not a compiler based language. This means that Python installation interprets and execute the code line by line at a time. Now we all know how does interpreter work. Interpreter works line by line and it is responsible to convert your higher level language to binary language, but line by line. It makes Python an easy to debug language as it interprets line by line. It is easy to debug. Debug means it is easy to find the errors. Next is its completeness. Completeness means what? Once you install your Python, then you don't need to import any other function. Whatever modules, whatever library you want, it is completely there in that application. You don't need to download any additional libraries or function to make your program execute. Next, cross-platform language. Cross-platform means Python works on different operating system. That is, it works on Windows, Linux, Unix. Very efficiently it get mixed up with the operating system. So it is termed as cross-platform. Cross-platform means it works on various operating system. Next, free and open source. Python language is freely available. Freely available means you can download it from any browser. It is of no charge and it is freely available. The URL you can see here, it is www.python.org. If you visit to this URL, you can download your Python application. Last advantage is variety of uses or application. Now whenever you use Python programming, you can create various applications, you can create various programs. For example, you can do scripting, web application, game development, system administration. So these are all the application where you can use your program, where you can use your Python language. So this 7 are the advantages of your Python. First was easy to use. Second, expressive language. Third, interpreted language. Fourth, its completeness. Fifth, cross-platform language. Sixth, free and open source. And last is variety of uses or variety of applications. Next topic is Python minuses, that is disadvantages of Python. First, not the fastest language. Python is an interpreted language, not a fully compiled one. Fully compiled language are more faster than interpreted language. Now we all know what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler converts the whole program in one go, and it will give you the list of error at the end. But an interpreter converts line by line, so it consumes more time as compared to your compiled languages. Lesser libraries than C, Java, Perl. It means it supports less library. जो functions है, जो libraries है, जो सारे methods है, as compared to your popular languages, that is C, Java, C++, Python has less libraries. Next, not strong on type binding. Type binding means whenever you type something, Python interpreter is not very strong on catching type mismatch issue. For example, if you declare a variable as integer but later you store a string value in it, Python won't complain or pinpoint it. इसका मतलब अगर आप एक variable ले रहे हो और उसमें integer store कर रहे हो, जैसे a equals to 10, but later on you are using same variable to store a string, that is a equals to abc. Python will not have any problem. Python will not give you any error. It will just override the value. Last is your not easily convertible. Not easily convertible means what? If I want to convert my Python program in some other programming language, it is not easy to convert my Python program into some other programming language. So this is the last disadvantage, not easily convertible in any other programming language. Now we will see the reason. Because of its lack of syntax, Python is an easy language to program in. But this advantage is a flip side too. Now Python is very easy to program, but it has a disadvantage. But this advantage also has a disadvantage, that you cannot translate it into any other programming language. This is because most other languages have structure defined syntax. Syntax means what? There is a predefined format which you have to follow to write a program. But your Python doesn't has any predefined syntax. So it is difficult to convert that program into some other program which has a specific syntax. So this was about the disadvantages of your Python. There are 4 disadvantages. Not the fastest language. Second, lesser libraries. Third, not strong on type binding. And fourth, not easily convertible. So your overview of the advantages and disadvantages. First point, advantage, easy to use. Expressive language, interpreted language, its completeness, cross-platform, free and open source, variety of uses or variety of application. Disadvantages, not the fastest language, lesser libraries than C, Java, Perl, not strong on type binding, and last, not easily convertible. So these are the advantages and limitation of your Python programming language. So here I end with this topic. Hope so this video is useful for you in your studies. Thank you.